Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter! Boom, 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 boom. Review stuff. And today is a very serious tech review. We are going to be reviewing the, I'm dropping it. Today we're going to be reviewing the Sony Wh1000Xms wireless headphone that I just purchased today from Best Buy. I'm going to be unboxing it and showing it, and I'm going to be reading a few of the reviews, and then I'm going to be trying them this week while I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada, and on my trip there, and then I will be coming back and doing a taste test. Which is basically, instead of food, a week-long trial of the headphones and letting you know what I think. I'm also going to be doing a review of the AirPods because I have been using them now for, I think a year and a half, 2 years. And I recently just bought them for my husband in the spring for a trip that we were taking. So I thought he and I could do a review of the AirPods together. He also has the Beats wireless headphones, which he takes on trips and listens to. So we could kind of do a comparison of all of those. And I did not want to get the Beats. I wanted to get something different. I wanted to try something different. I actually looked online. I'm somebody that watches a lot of review videos. I know it's hard to believe about products that I'm going to buy. I read a lot of reviews. I don't typically go to Amazon and read the reviews, but I'm going to read a few of them from there today. And then I also typically just look up, if I'm going to buy something like this, I go to tech sites and read the reviews of I looked up the top 10 best headphones of 2019, of which this was always at the top of the list. I went into Best Buy. DJ, who helped me at the Castleton Best Buy. So thank you, DJ. If you go into the Castleton Best Buy, go in there and say hi to DJ. If you're from Best Buy and you are a manager, DJ deserves a raise. He was absolutely fantastic. I think Best Buy might have some of the best customer service I've ever experienced in my entire life, and not just from today, but from when I bought the AirPods, from me having to return a camera. Best Buy, and I'm not sponsored by them, I wish I was, but they have some of the best customer service I've ever experienced in my entire life. But before I get into that, I want to show you the headphones that I had before. I actually have a pair and I was looking for them. They are the headphones that Armin van Buuren, the DJ, uses. And Alex and I went to a private showing of Armin van Buuren several years ago for Ultra Music Festival. In Miami. It was during Winter Music Conference, and we got invited to this party that we went to for our website, because we have a website where it's all discussion and interviews of electronic dance music, which my husband is really obsessed with, as well am I. He likes it more than I do, so he now runs the website. And so anyway, several years ago we went to this party, and each person got, they're Philips headphones, and they're noise canceling headphones that a lot of DJs use, and they gifted a pair to each of us, and they said Ultra on there in the year. I can't remember what year that was. It was probably 2 or 3 years ago that we got those. So I use those, but the headphones that I use the most are these that Alex gave me as a gift a couple years ago, and here they are, and I love them. And they are Bowers & Wilkins, and they're professional headphones. So we have a friend of ours that's a sound engineer and does a lot of stuff with entertainment, and he actually told Alex that these are the headphones. He ordered them for him and got him a discount and everything, because they're apparently very expensive headphones, and they're fantastic. They're very comfortable. They're leather inside. The problem is that Peter has ripped the cord, and I have made, I don't know if you can see this, but I have made this cord last as long as it will, and I'm like, you know what, I just don't want to chance it again. I put it in my backpack, and I'm very careful with it, and I'm just afraid that it's going to break, and then I'm not going to have these anymore. So these I will continue to use at home. And I actually talked to my friend, and you know what he told me to do to fix them? He said, just get some of that metal duct tape and wrap it around there, and it'll be fine. So like I said, I went and I looked on a lot of different websites to see which ones were the best, and these were what was recommended to me. So the Sony Wh1000Xms, there were a lot, but the range was anywhere, I would say, from $199 all the way up to $1,500. I'm not spending $1,500 for a headphone, but I will tell you that on Amazon, these are currently, I think it said $298. They are currently $298 on Amazon. I know I paid more than that. I paid $299.99. Sales tax was $21, and so they were $320.99 for me at Best Buy. So I wanted to open these on here. Now, I know this is not typical of what I do on this channel, but I do when I buy things. If I'm gonna actually, I know, there has to be some folks out there that aren't completely tech savvy and are just like me and just want to go buy a product and see if it works or not. Sometimes when I'm talking to people, I love watching tech reviews, but sometimes it's so over my head that I don't even really know what they're talking about. Now, I will tell you that one thing is my apprehension about this. I'm not somebody that loves Bluetooth and wireless things. I don't know why, I just don't. So he said to me that he does believe that these will hook up with a cord to the computer, so I'm hoping that they will. But if they don't, then my husband's gonna have to help me because I'm not real tech savvy. Like I ain't got my glasses on, I can't do. My glasses are right here. Hi. Samantha Louise sent me this. Is this not so fantastic? Hey, Samantha Louise. And it's to put your glasses on. I thought it was to hold pictures, but it's not. So anyway, but here are my glasses right here, my readers. When you get as old as me, you have to have readers, and they're always dirty, and you have 5. Like, I got 2 pairs in the kitchen, 1 in the bathroom, 1 in the bedroom. I got a pair over there, and I got a pair right here. I have become my father, okay? So anyway, I wanted to do some real tech reviews because listen, and I got the knife right here, okay? Because I'm gonna open this plastic. But you know, when you're a real person like me, you know, it's like, yeah, the tech reviews are fine, but I don't really understand a lot of it. I think $320 for a pair of headphones is absolutely astronomical. I think it's ridiculous. But if you want good headphones today, I guess it's what you have to buy. Plus, I will say this, I haven't bought headphones since the AirPods, and before that were the gift, and so it's been several years. So here it is without the wrapping. Nice package. We don't really care about all that though, do we? Okay. I mean, yeah, we do, but I mean, it is a nice package for a Sony. You have a nice package. Has anybody ever told you that you have a good package, a nice package? I get told that all the time. I don't know what they're talking about though. So when you slide it out, this is how it comes. It shows everything on the back here. I can already tell you I'm gonna be very confused because there's apparently like buttons and stuff you have to push on the headphones. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Okay. And then it says, it has the directions right here. And it says, number 1, download the app. Number 2, power on your headphones and connect via the app. So it must be that easy. Easy setup, it says. So I'm gonna do that in a second. What is the app, you might ask? Okay, I don't know. Sony Headphones Connect. Should we buy the app and see if it works? You're probably like, well, of course we should, Peter. This is a review channel. Why wouldn't you? Okay. Here, let's look it up. Sony Headphones Connect. Wouldn't it be crap if you had to buy it, you had to buy the app? If you have to buy the app, no, you don't have to. I know, but that would have been such hell, wouldn't it? If I would have been like, oh my God, I have to buy the app too. Are you kidding me? Oh my Lanta. This is about my 16th video that I've made today. True story, okay? So, okay, it's downloading. We're gonna see how this works. So, we're gonna let that app come down. And this is what they come in. This is really nice, isn't it? This is really beautiful. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. And then you open it. They came in silver goldish color. He called it gold. I said, that's silver all day long, it's not gold. And black, and so I picked black. And then when you open them, this is what they look like. Now, do I see a cord? Oh, there is a cord. There absolutely is a cord, so you can listen to it on here, okay. Put this over here. Now we're gonna open the Headphones Connect right here. I have a red, okay, sure. Okay, start. How do you do this? We're gonna see, I'm pulling them out. Next. Okay, agree. Headphones would like to send you notifications. We don't need all that. Okay, next. Register through Bluetooth settings. Next. Select, is it on? Do you have to have, I wonder if you have to have batteries for this. Oh, please. Did I have to buy batteries and I didn't do that? Do they have batteries? Am I such an idiot that wireless things don't need batteries? Why is that, where do you? It's saying select an accessory and there's no accessories. So I'm wondering if I have to turn it on, but how do you charge them? It won't turn on. Huh. This is where I like get very confused about things. You must have to charge it first. Okay, well I understand. I don't like it, but I understand. So it comes with, I will show you all the things it comes with. It comes with this little cord thing, which I don't know, this is for, you know, to listen to it in the computer. And then it comes with this, which I don't know what this is for. And then it comes with this, I guess, to charge it in the computer. So we're gonna start charging it. I'm gonna try them on though. I don't hate it on my hair. Okay, listen, I've been rolling around all day today. Oh my God. Rock on, roll dust woman. I went to a party last Saturday night. I didn't get late. I got in the fight. Whatever you want, anything. Now I know why Mariah Carey can sing. I get so emotional, baby. But that was Whitney Houston. No, but they are really nice. They are so comfortable, you guys. That's my thumbnail. That's another thumbnail. Okay, so let's put the hat back on because nobody wants to see that. And let's see, where do you hook these up, I wonder? Okay. Here it is. Nope. You guys, this is kind of confusing, I have to say. There's like not really, there's no instructions in this either. It's crazy. Easy setup. I love when it says easy setup and there's no easy setup. Okay, so here's the directions. So we're gonna go in here and look at the directions. Now you all know that I'm a complete idiot. Oh look, the first directions is reading the directions, it shows. Okay. Okay, 1. So this is this. So then it has, it's showing where to hook this up to. Okay, so it's showing that right underneath here. Oh, here it is. Okay, and then you have to charge it. And then it takes 3 hours to charge. And then after it gets done charging, you charge it through the USB thing. And then after it gets done charging, it shows you how to set it up. So we will go back in then, and I will set this all up. And when I come back, and it shows you everything. Oh, that's so easy. And then you can listen to music. So I will do this. I know this is kind of a stupid review because I didn't really show anything, but it's more of an unboxing, right? Okay, hey. I have to say, I think they're beautiful. They're extremely comfortable. I think the little carrier thing is amazing. So I will be reviewing these, and then when I will use them for the next week, and next week sometime when I come back, I will do a review of how I feel like they work. But I have to say, they're so much more comfortable than those. And they really are, like, I mean, they really, compared to any other headphone that I've used, I seriously already, I mean, they are so comfortable in my ears. Because sometimes headphones kind of hurt my ears, you know? But they are already so much more comfortable, but they already cancel everything. I mean, I can hear myself talking, but not that great. Let's see a couple of the reviews, what the reviews say. Any bad? They're all five reviews. 1,803 reviews. Let's see. 68% 5-star, 12% 4-star, 3% 8-star. Or no, wait. 68% 5-star, 12% 4-star, 8% 3-star, and 5% 2-star, and 7% 1-star. They're all really, really great reviews. Okay. Bose has been decisively dethroned. I currently own about 30 headphones of various brands and types, okay? And then the worst review is, I love that they have a top positive review and top critical review. Why have I never noticed that on Amazon? When using the headphones connected by Bluetooth on my 2018 MacBook Pro, the ambient sound stays on even in the noise canceling mode to the point where it is actually worse. Oh my God, this guy wrote like a really huge... Okay, then he said, I read on the Sony site that the company was replacing systems with one that worked if you called support and gave them real. So, like a fool, I called support. After several minutes, the person on the line came back and tried to lead me through rudimentary troubles. And hold on, he's getting really angry on here. He said, and I kid you not, that the headphones are not guaranteed to work with third-party products. And when I pointed out that the wireless headphones are pretty useless if you can't connect them to a third-party product, he said that Sony has no record of ever seeing this problem. This particular support person also had the very annoying verbal tick of beginning each of his sentences with "actually," followed by something that wasn't true. This product should not be for sale. Cheated out of $350. Well, I only paid $2.99, so I guess you did get treated. Treated. You got treated and cheated is what you did. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Anyway, Actually, I have to go now and pack for my trip to Vegas, but I will be back and I will show you guys what I really think about these headphones. I hope I'm not bitter about them. I hope I didn't waste my money, because you can bet your ass I will be right on here. Oh, that's family friendly. You can bet your behind that I will be right on here, okay? Just like this man calling support and getting my money back, all right? Because ain't nobody scamming me out of no money. I feel like I'm one of those people that works in like those telephone booths, you know, like. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.